Hello, welcome to the Wonderland. It's time to explore the world with us within few minutes. The ostrich is the world's largest bird and found across Africa's hot savannas and open woodland. It stands up to a massive 2.7 meters tall and weighs as much as 159 kilograms. That's around 1 meter taller than the average man and the weight of 2 men combined. This flightless bird has a long bare neck, long sturdy legs and a bulky body covered with feathers. Males and females have different colored feathers. Males sport black plumage with a white tail, and females are mostly brown. Both sexes have small heads, a short, wide beak and big brown eyes protected by long dark lashes. Ostriches are the fastest animal on 2 legs, sprinting at 72 kilometers per hour and maintaining a speed of 40 kilometers per hour over 2 kilometers. The ostrich also lays the largest egg. One example weighed 2.59 kilograms. The smallest egg is laid by a vervain hummingbird, and it weighs less than 0.36 grams. A medium-sized chicken's egg, by comparison, weighs 53 grams. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us.